Hi, I'm Luke, the brand manager here at BossTab, and I'm thrilled to be sharing something exciting with you today, our brand new eco-friendly packaging. Our new packaging features uncoated kraft corrugate mailer boxes and biodegradable cotton bonded bags. We've worked hard to ensure that this shift reduces our environmental footprint, but it also makes a real difference to your shipping costs. By reducing shipping sizes, we're helping you save significantly on bulk shipping costs. And here's how we've done it: by separating the holder from the stand, which comes in a simple 4-screw assembly. Alongside our new packaging, we've also redesigned our assembly instructions. So instead of paper manuals, you'll find a digital QR code inside the box, giving you access to our newly designed user interface made for mobile and tablet devices. This change not only lets us expand our product range, but it reduces waste, ultimately lowering costs for everyone. So if you're buying one product or placing a bulk order, know that we are working hard to ensure that our packaging solutions are better for the planet and better for your business. So thanks for joining me today. We can't wait to continue this journey towards sustainability together.